Dugouts or ponds can be an attractive source of water for the wet well. They're appealing because there is no need for animal traffic into the water during summertime, and it will protect the water quality. And because there is no need for animal traffic on the ice in the wintertime, this will prevent animal disaster. Also, dugouts or ponds are appealing because there is a visible supply of water. The procedure simply requires a trench to host a water line to transfer water into the wet well. The static level can be predetermined using elevation difference between the dugout or pond water level relative to the ground level at the potential wet well location. An elevation difference of 4 to 8 feet is considered optimum, but the frost-free nose pump is capable of greater depths. In this case, the hoe operator opened up the sidewall of the dugout, allowing the water to flow into the wet well once the line was lowered into the water with some type of flotation device on it. This particular application took 4 hours from start to finish. Another dugout application shows a system of pushing a pipe through the sidewall of the dugout to host the poly pipe